Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike is a game-changer for both urban commuters and adventure seekers. With its robust 48V 20AH removable battery, this e-bike promises an impressive top speed of over 30 miles per hour and a remarkable range of up to 80 miles on a single charge, making it an excellent choice for those looking to combine performance with practicality. One of the standout features of this e-bike is its sleek folding design, which allows for easy storage and transportation. Whether you're living in a compact apartment or planning to take it on a road trip, the ability to fold the bike down to a manageable size is a significant advantage. The build quality is impressive, featuring a sturdy aluminum frame that strikes a perfect balance between weight and durability. When it comes to performance, the 1000W motor delivers powerful acceleration, making hill climbs and longer distances feel effortless. The bike's multiple speed settings allow you to customize your ride according to your preferences, whether you want a leisurely cruise or a speedy commute. The 20AH battery not only provides an extended range but also recharges relatively quickly, so you can be back on the road in no time. Comfort is another highlight of this folding electric bike. The ergonomic seat and adjustable handlebars ensure a comfortable riding position, while the front and rear suspension smooth out the bumps on city streets or uneven trails. The inclusion of LED lights enhances safety, making it suitable for night rides as well. However, it's worth noting that the bike can be somewhat heavy when fully assembled, so if you plan to frequently carry it upstairs or onto public transport, keep that in mind. Additionally, while the folding mechanism is convenient, it may take some time to master initially. Overall, the 1000W folding electric bike is an impressive blend of power, range, and portability, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to enhance their mobility while enjoying the great outdoors.